Model nails is a modular click-on nail you can take on and off anytime. Long nails aren't practical for a lot of people, myself included. That's why we invented Model Nails. I'm Liam Percival, co-founder and CEO, and for the last 4 years, my partner and I have been designing a click-on nail that's sleek, secure, and effortless. Just adhere the base, click on your tops, and go. And they stay put through real life, like tossing your hair up or digging for your keys. Then when life gets a little bit more hands-on, like washing dishes or going to the gym, you can pop them off and click them back on in seconds. Plus, you can change up your vibe throughout the day. Pick out something fun for date night, clean and minimal for work, or rewear your wedding nails for your anniversary. These aren't one-time wear nails either. They're little works of art you get to collect, rewear, and reuse over and over. And the best part, take them off at the end of the day, just like your jewelry, shoes, or bra. When we announced Model Nails, the response exploded and we heard you. From wheelchair users to athletes to busy moms or artists to cosplayers, people really saw themselves in these. People who'd been forced to choose between functionality and femininity, but not anymore. So help back Model Nails on Kickstarter today and step into a world where your nails can be as powerful, multifaceted, and unique as you are.